directly through their skin and gills. The icefish's blood also contains antifreeze proteins that prevent it from freezing in sub-zero temperatures, ensuring they can move freely in their icy realm. These incredible adaptations not only highlight the wonders of evolution, but also showcase how life can thrive in extreme conditions. Observing the icefish is like witnessing nature's ingenuity firsthand, challenging our understanding of survival and adaptation in the animal kingdom. This unique creature continues to intrigue scientists and spark curiosity about the mysteries of life beneath the ice.